This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show how you can enable and configure the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app, and here enter the Sound and Vibration category. Next, select Do Not Disturb, and now you can switch on or switch off the D&D mode from here. You can also set up the exceptions or what can interrupt the Do Not Disturb mode, what people or what contacts, as well as apps and alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up the automatic schedule for the D&D mode to be switched on and off at, as well as adjust the duration for quick settings and display options for filtered notifications preferences. Now there is a more convenient way to toggle the D&D mode on or off, and that's involved in the control center of your device. So, open it by swiping downwards from the right half of the status bar, and here look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which should be at the control center by default. If not, press the Edit button and edit from the list of unused controls here. Now, you can tap on this tile to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.